Since opening in 2005, Pure Energy has provided energy-saving solutions tailored to Michigan's unique climate. We are a family-owned and locally operated home improvement company focused on exceptional customer service. Pure Energy offers a range of products to improve your home's efficiency, including high-performance windows, entry doors, attic insulation, and roofing. Our PureCore Platinum Replacement windows, made from advanced polymers featuring triple pane glass, can reduce your utility bills by up to 40%. Our entry door systems, available in commercial-grade steel or high-impact fiberglass, enhance your home's appearance and security. Additionally, our roofing solutions use the highest quality shingles the market has to offer. Coupled with our exclusive ProCat attic insulation, our roofing teams will be able to give your home the look, security, and energy efficiency it deserves. As an A+ rated business with the Michigan Better Business Bureau, we are committed to an outstanding customer experience from consultation to installation. Contact us today for a free consultation or to learn more about how we can improve the efficiency of your home.